Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So let's quickly get into today's video by first importing random. So let's import random, which will help us. So what this random will help us is going to give the user random numbers to be guessing instead of us having to give the user the number to guess. The program is going to do the job for us on its own. So now that I've imported random, let's assign our secret number to random. So let's say our secret number is equal to random dot round range. So our round range, we want our range to be 1 and 15, which means the user is going to be guessing the number between this range 1 to 15. It's going to be guessing the number between 1 to 15. That's what this means. So now let's assign our guess also. Let's say guess, and since it's going to be integer, which means the user is going to be entering into numbers, so it's necessary you bring the int or it's going to be error. So now input, which will allow the user to enter his digits. So okay, let's show what to tell the user. So let's say we tell the user that, let's say okay, let's make it fun. So I'm thinking about something nice. Okay, so let's say, okay, let's play. I think this sounds good. Let's play and guess a number between between 1 and 15. Okay, so this is going to, the input function is going to tell the user, okay, let's play guess a number between 1 and 15, and to allow the user to guess by inputting his or a number. So let's assign count. So what this is going to do is, this count is going to be counting the number of times the user is going to be entering his or her values. That's what all this means. So you assign our count to 1. You can assign it to 0, 1, 2, or to still work. So let's say while guess, and okay, so before I get to the while loop, I just want to know that in previous video, which is part 1 of this video, I tried to focus on while loop, the if, the else, and co. So in case you are a beginner, you won't struggle with the while loop. As you know, the main engine of this program is the while loop, which is very important. So I place the link of the part 1 of this video in the description. There's link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video as well. So if you have not seen it yet, kindly check it out as well. So let's continue. So let's say while guess is equal to, so let's say this declares our secret number. So while guess, the user should be guessing our secret number. And let's bring our count. While the users are guessing the secret number, then the count will be going on. That's what this means. Sorry. So this should be, there should be one there anyway. So while guessing, keep counting. That's what this means. While guessing, keep counting. That's what this means. So let's say if secret, okay, if guess is less than our secret number. Yes, that's, if guess is less than our secret number, let's print so what are we printing? Okay, let's print let's say, okay, let's tell the user sorry, which sorry delete. Okay, user sorry, please try again. So but just trying to make it look fun, but this time guess higher. Okay, so let's explain quickly. So this, I'm saying, while counting, while guessing the secret number, while the user is getting the secret number, keep counting. So we are counting +1. So it means if the user guess for the first time, this count is going to count +1, then go to 2 to be for the second time. It's going to add +1 again to guess for the third time. And while guessing, let's say our secret number, which is the secret number that have been selected by the random, or by the random, any random secret number, is 7, and the user guess 4. So you may want, you may want the user to get closer to the secret number. So the user guess 4 and the secret number is 7. So this is probably going to tell the user, okay, guess higher. So the user will have idea. So when you guess 4 and the secret number is 7, you tell the user guess higher. Then the user will, okay, probably guess 5, 6, and focus until you get to the secret number. So that's what this is about. So let's say, yes, okay, let's copy this. Okay, let's say what if the user gets higher, so let's, this is our input function again. So okay, let's play guess a number between 1 and 15. Okay, so let's go to our else, and so let's print. So I'm telling you, I'll tell you what this else is doing in the right now. So let's say sorry, please. So let's, okay, please try again. Okay, so okay, let's do the same thing as that one, but this time guess higher. This time we are going to guess lower rather, but this typing is a little rough today, but this time guess lower. Okay, so here is our program. So when, let's say your secret number is 7 and the user guess 5, so the program says, okay, guess higher. And let's say the user guess 9 is still above of 7, so you may want the user to still come down again. So this is the, so then to come to else, sorry, try again, please guess lower. So that's what this is doing here right now. So let's bring this input function again, which will allow the user to guess once again, which means after the user guess lower and it's still wrong, this input function will still appear. So okay, let's play, and so now let's go to our print. So what you are going to do here now is, let's say okay, let's say I'm just trying to figure out the message the user will get when you get the right number. So let's say wow, congratulations. Okay. Wow. So it took you, so I'll explain why I'm bringing this count here as well. So it took you, okay, times to guess the right number. I'm just trying to make the program a little fun. Congrats again. Okay, so like I said, I'll explain this count. Remember, before the beginning of the program, we started with count, which is going to be counting the number of times the user is entering to the values. So whilst it's counting +1 until the user gets it right. So here we go. Wow, congratulations, it took you. So the number of times the program has counted the user entering his number is going to appear within the print. So we are printing this. That's why these are in the quotes. These two, we are printing, these are in the quotes, and this is the count. So it will go, wow, congratulations, it took you. If the, let's say the program counted the user entering into the values like 6 times, so it will say, wow, congratulations, it took you 6 times to guess the number. Congrats again. Let's say the user guesses only once and he had it right, it will print, wow, congratulations, it took you 1 time to guess the right number. So that's what all this is about. So let's quickly try our program and see. Okay, so here's the first thing that appear. Okay, let's play. Guess a number between 1 and 50. So before we start, you can see that whilst this thing up, let's bring a space here so that the user will have enough space to enter into his value. So let's go here. Let's quickly add this. Just run it again. Okay, it's okay now. So okay, let's guess. Let me enter 9. Okay, so guess, play lower again. I think I'm not done. Let's end it again. So let's bring another one here as well, and another one here, basically so it won't get the user confused entering into his values. Okay, so let's go. So let's 7. So it's telling me, sorry, please try again, but this time guess higher. So we are going to guess higher than the 7. So let's say 9. So 9, sorry, please try again, this time guess higher again. So we are going, so let's say 10. 10 is still wrong, you need to guess higher. So let's say 12. Lower. So you see, the program is telling us guess higher because it wants us to get to the right value. Now with guess higher, it's still telling us to guess lower. So it means still the value, the right value is lower than this. So it means basically type 11. So here we go. Okay, let's play. So after I guess my 11, say wow, congratulations, it took you 5 times to guess the right number. Congrats again. So let's see if it's 5 times. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means we guess the number 5 times. So that's what it's telling us. So our program is working now. So let me quickly explain it again. So we imported random, and what this random is doing is that when we run the program, you see the program automatically decided the number, the secret number for us. the program on its own decided the secret number for us. So it picked any random number and used it as a secret number, any random number between 1 and 15. So that's that's why we imported this random, and we assigned our secret number to random.runRange. So these are guess, and because the user is going to be entering into numbers, that's why this int is here. The input value allows the user to enter into the values while we are entering. The count is just counting it's going to count the number of times you are entering, so that it will be able to tell you at the end of the program how many times you've entered into your values. So this while guess is equal to secret number. So this is telling us count. So while we are guessing the secret number, that's what this means. Be counting, that's +1. Be counting. If I guess 1 and it's wrong, the next one count +2. If it's still wrong, next one count +3. So it will be counting +1, +1, +1. So that's what count +1 is. So if guess is less than the secret number, let's say after we guess and it's less than the secret number, then print sorry, try again, but this time guess higher. So that's what it means. If it's less than the secret number, we need to try higher. So guess, so if guess the same thing here, it allows us to input these are s, the same thing here. Sorry, let's say you guess higher than the right number, this one, the else is going to tell you to guess lower. These are input again, and gives you another chance to enter again until you enter the right value here. Then it prints the program. So once again, I have part 1 of this video where I didn't use the random, I just used the while loop, because my focus on that one is the while loop, in case you are a beginner, and I use the while loop only to create the random number guessing game. So you can check it out. There's a link in this video description as well. Check it out as well. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and give your comment to give me more motivation to make more videos. Thank you for watching, and once again,